Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Weight reduction and maintaining the ideal weight has always been a nightmare for all of us. Hence today I have come up with a very effective weight loss drink with simple and readily available ingredients from your kitchen shelf. Consuming this drink will help you to meet your weight loss goals on a faster pace. But I will never mislead you by promising that this weight loss drink alone is sufficient to achieve your ideal weight and healthy body. To achieve it, you must follow a healthy lifestyle with good sleep, eat nutritious food on time, and exercise for at least 1 hour a day, be it cardio or weight training, brisk outdoor walking, or cycling. Friends, there is no shortcut to healthy weight loss, no pain, no gain. So, you will definitely achieve your desired body weight by following all these. And as I had mentioned earlier, this weight loss drink will support you to reach your weight loss goals on a faster pace. Now, come, let's prepare the weight loss drink. The first ingredient is fenugreek seeds. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and roast for a few seconds over a slow flame. Consuming fenugreek seeds is an excellent way to reduce your weight as these seeds boost up your metabolism and since they contain high fiber they make you feel full and control your appetite, and they also help in fat absorption and very effective in controlling your blood sugar. Second ingredient is cumin seeds. Take 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds and dry roast them over a slow flame. Cumin seeds helps in digestion and also they reduce bloating. They contain antioxidants which helps to improve metabolism and your overall health. Most importantly, it keeps you hydrated, which is crucial in your weight loss journey. And third one is coriander seeds. Take 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and dry roast them over a slow flame for a few seconds. Coriander seeds helps to reduce water retention, to shed that extra water weight from your body. Also, they flush out toxins from your body and they control blood sugar, and they aid in digestion and they improve metabolism and they control your appetite. And the fourth ingredient is cinnamon. Take 4 grams of cinnamon. Choose this curl variety and not the flat one. The flat one is not cinnamon, it's called cassia. Cinnamon is very good for controlling your sugar craving. It helps to reduce bloating and it contains antioxidants which reduces inflammation which is linked to weight gain. It also controls your appetite and your blood sugar also. Roast over a slow flame for few seconds. If you feel 4 grams is too flavorful and strong, you can reduce the quantity to 2 grams, but never omit this ingredient. Now transfer these ingredients to a plate and let them reach room temperature, after which they could be powdered in a mixer. Make sure the mixer jar is clean and dry as we're going to store the powder for a few days. The ingredients should be in room temperature while grinding. They should not be hot, so let them cool completely. Now to this add 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Dry ginger helps to burn calories through a process called thermogenesis. The compounds gingerol and shogol produce heat and they burn the fat and they boost up your metabolism. To this add 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder contains a compound called curcumin which supports weight loss by reducing inflammation. It prevents fat accumulation in your body and supports liver function and detoxification. Grind all these ingredients into a fine powder and transfer them into an airtight glass container. Cover it and store it in room temperature. Now heat 300 ml of water. Once it gets heated, add 1 teaspoon of the ground weight loss powder and boil it for 5 minutes. Once it gets boiled and gets reduced to about 200 ml, switch off the stove and strain it with a steel strainer. Don't use the plastic one, use a steel strainer. To this, squeeze in some lemon juice as lemon contains pectin fiber. It curbs the hunger pangs and helps in weight loss. Now mix well and drink it immediately. This drink should be consumed on an empty stomach for effective weight loss, at least for up to 3 months to see the results. Friends, thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this video and my recipe, Please hit a like, write your valuable feedback in the comment section, and share this video with your family and friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.